Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र. ओम हम संगम भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः. दक्षिणामूर्ति गुरु स्तोत्रम. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना. नमः श्री अतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. सामरस्य prayer for harmony from Rig Veda. Om Sangachadvam Sambadadvam Sambho Manamsi Janata Deva Bhagayatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manas Sahachittamesha Samanam Mantram Abhimantrayevaha Samanena Vo Havishajuhomi Samaniva Akutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Vo Manaha Yatha Vasu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. Saptavimshatyadhika Ekashatotara Panchasahasratama कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः ज्येष्ठमासः शुक्लपक्षः सप्तमी तिथिः मघानक्षत्रं व्याघात योगः गरजकरणं इंदुवासरः. Today's date 2nd June 2025 Monday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगात् रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
Namasabhai Sabhapatibhyascha. So today, as a part of International Day of Yoga 2025, we are starting the program called Gita Sugita Kartavya. It has started last week through the preparation of the Shloka Sangraha chanting. So from today onwards, we have competition, group competition, school-wise Shloka Sangraha chanting competition. And today, as the first school, we have School of Yogic Sciences, Yes Vyasa. and the school will chant Samarasya Shloka Sangraha. You can see the shloka in the screen. So for this competition, I invite our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Professor Subramaniam Sir, the Deputy Registrar Sir, Vaidya Sir, and the principals of School of Yogic Sciences, School of Physiotherapy, School of Naturopathy, and the School and the College of Ayurveda, and the Dean Academics. And I also invite the judges for this, Professor M. Jayaraman Sir, the Dean of Academics and Dean Yoga Spirituality. Srimati Sriparna Ji. Srimati Sriparna Ji is associated with the LRL Trust. And I also invite Dr. Manjunath Sir, Associate Professor at Division of Yoga Spirituality. And I also invite, like to welcome the Control of Examination, Soni Kumari Madam, and also the IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Bharti Devi Ji. The program, there are rules of the program is you have to chant, you have to stand up at your place. All of the student has to chant, and you have to pronounce the shlokas correctly. And the program is organized by the Division of Yoga Spirituality. So, shall we start? So, I request all the School of Yoga students to please stand on their place. So, all of you have to chant, School of Yogic Sciences.
Other schools, please do not help School of Yoga.
So those who are the technical team, School of Yoga, they have also chanted Durgesh and Jiv.
सुन्वन्ति दिव्य तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेषु
very well done by the School of Yogic Sciences. And tomorrow we will have the group chanting by the School of Yoga and Naturopathy of which Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha. So be ready for tomorrow. And I request, the judges will present their comments on the end of this competition.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः